Hi guys, here in Arabic Meso, so we'll start to kabsa rice for the Arabic. Next, beef. Yeah. And soup, Arabic soup. All and brown beans also. Wow, the salads, more salad, another salad, and bean salad. Yes, for the Asian, wow, this style. And another one, yeah, the next sabji, voila, and egg curry. Yeah, this is the egg curry, and white rice, steam rice, sorry. Skin chicharon. Oh, wow.
Yellow pumpkin and beans.
Yeah,
It's milk fish.
and milk fish.
Yes. Broccoli.
And
From
white
kanin.
rice. Yeah,
White rice.
kanin,
It's
white
Filipino name,
rice.
white rice.
Yeah. So this is our setup of our senior mess hall. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.